Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the hidden virtual desktop features in Windows 11. So the Windows 11 virtual desktop features allow you to organize your workspace by creating multiple desktops for different tasks. So this is perfect for multitasking, separating work and personal projects, or organizing open applications. And through this video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the full potential of this hidden feature. So to get started, you can follow the steps. You can open the task view. So press Windows plus tab uh, on your keyboard. And in here, you can see that you can just create a new virtual desktop. In the task view, you can just click on the plus icon to create a new desktop. So you can create as many as desktop as needed, limited only by your system performance. So you can just tap on plus in here, and now a new desktop will be created. As you guys can see, there's no Chrome that I opened before. And if you want to switch between the desktop, you can use keyboard shortcuts by clicking on the control plus Windows or left or right arrow to move between desktop. Or you can also open task view and click on the desktop you can switch to. I'm going to just go with the shortcut. So control, Windows, and arrow. So for example, I'm going to move to the desktop one. You can see now it will be open again. And if you want to move windows between a desktop, you can open the task view again and hover over a desktop thumbnail to see its open windows and drag a window from one desktop to another. Alternatively, you can also right click on a window in the task view and select a move to options. For example, this one, move right, if there's any. So you can also personalize each desktop because Windows 11 allows you to customize desktop individually for better organization. You can rename the desktop here. You can rename it, for example, I'm going to just go with new, and you can also name it as, for example, this one is personal, this one is work. You can name it just like that. You can also pick a different wallpaper for each desktop. So that's how you can use a virtual desktop on Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.